It's Blue Switch Day, and I'm on my way to a geocache. What's Blue Switch Day? Why, it's the 24-year anniversary of GPS technology being made public. That happened on May 2nd, 2000, and the very next day, May 3rd, was when the first geocache was placed. Obviously, geocaching would not be possible without GPS technology, so geocachers celebrate Blue Switch Day. Plus, Geocaching HQ is putting out a souvenir for anyone who finds a geocache in the next few days. So I'm gonna try and get that souvenir. Folks who have been following along at home will know why I'm moving a little slowly. I am recovering from a gout flare right now. Ordinarily, I would not be on my feet right now, but this geocache, in fact, these two geocaches were just published less than half a mile from my apartment, and it's Blue Switch Day. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Every day I'm hobbling. Skip-boo-bop-boo-beep-boo. Skip-a-doo-bop-bop-beep-boo. Oh, well, isn't this lovely? Okay, I am right here at ground zero. Is it in one of these things? Is it attached via magnet? Is it hanging off one of these trees, perhaps? The previous log warned me that this one would be about 40 feet off the coordinates, and lo and behold, they were right. Inside we have, of course, the logbook, which I will sign. We've got a little wire ring. We've got an elastic bracelet. We've got a loud train coming. We've got a keychain with the ship on it. We've got a Scooby-Doo, a hologram sticker. That's it. I'm not gonna take anything, but I will leave this dinosaur toy. There's my name on the log, second defined. And they even did a leave us a note prompt. 3 things you can't live without. Someone else said geocaching, pizza, and family, but what will old Brycefoot say? In honor of Blue Switch Day, I put GPS tech, nature, because, I mean, come on. And of course, my love, Erica. Now to put you back where you belong. Logging that was certainly enough to get my Blue Switch Day souvenir, but my old trusty right foot is actually feeling okay right now. So we're gonna move on to that second cache I told you about. Onward. This one looks like it's probably gonna be in these rocks over here. Gotta check inside all these little crevasses. I just spent a long time looking at all these rocks, and now my knees are pretty dirty from crawling around. But alas, I did not find this second one. I'll have to try a different day. Can't win them all. But hey, we're not ending this on a sour note because I've already got that Blue Switch Day badge, which I will show you right now. Cheers.